Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to OpenStreetMap and tell you about the basics which we need to know about the software. And yeah, just type on Google OpenStreetMap and it will take you to this screen. Because I have already logged in with my student ID, so you need to log in with yours or the work ID, whatever it is. And yeah, this it will show you this map. This is a transportation map, and yeah, you'll find the layers here on the right hand side corner: the standard map, cycle map, the cycle path, and again the transport map and the humanitarian map. Okay, so we'll go with the standard map because yeah, it shows you more detail like the plot size, the buildings, the green areas, the pathways, the cycle path, the highways, and the cycle lane, and also the train lines. Yeah. So let's type sunshine. Okay, Sunshine Footscray. Okay, so we are at Sunshine Station right now, and you can see here the buildings, and the station and the transport map, which is highlighted in red color, which shows you the detailed numbers of stops. And yeah, so now let's get started with edit ID. Okay, so over here you can see that the house outline is in red, the road line is also in red, the main street is also highlighted over here in yellow and white, so it means someone has already worked on it. And also the green area is also highlighted with green line. And now what we are going to do is we are going to add one. So at the top section you can see there's a point, line and area. What point does is it just points or gives a pointer on the restaurant, monument or a postal box or any other structure you want. You can just point it out. What line does is it highlights the highway, street, pedestrian, paths, canals and houses. And areas is for the parks, buildings, lakes or any other long areas which you can see right now on the screen. So we will highlight with one. Yeah, I'll take this house. So let's start with this one. What I'm doing is highlighting an area and a house. So I'll just connect this. Alright. Now you can see it's already in a red line. So it's not a proper rectangle, so I'm gonna give it a shape like square. And again on the left hand side you can see that a line has been shown by paths, rails, minor roads, major roads and many other features. So what I'm going to do is type residential. Okay, residential is not working. Structure, Okay, now that I have drawn a line on the house, it asked me for the fields, the name of the house, and the description, like add the description about the house. And as I don't know anything of this, you can just Google it and check the height of the house, or the area of the house, or the type of the house. So you can just fill the details in it. As I don't want to save this file on the OpenStreetMap, so I'm just going to show you how to save it. On the right hand side corner, where I'm pointing it right now, is review your changes and upload them to OpenStreetMap, making them visible to other users. So what it does is, whenever you change anything or whenever you draw anything, it just saves on OpenStreetMap website, so it will be visible for other users also. And yes, if it's correct, if you are doing it in a correct way, then it's okay. But if it's not a correct information, please don't do it. So I'm not going to save it, as this video is just for a trial to show you guys how to use OpenStreetMap. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like this video, and see you in the next tutorial.